my failures as a dad. My daughter was probably 13 when I decided to come home as a dad. And it didn't go well because I was dad from 0 to 5. And then from 5 to 13, I was daddy that was in prison, dope junkie, didn't come by and see her, right? And my daughter was like me. She had a weight problem and she would go to school and it plagued her. Probably still does. I have not spoken to her in a while. And if you watch this, I love you. When you're ready, you know my number. But long story short, when I come home, I was 340 pounds and I went to work on me, right? And I'm not perfect now, by no means. Lord knows we pigged out last night on cookies and watched movies and had a great time. And you got to do that every once in a while because it's, 8 o'clock on Sunday morning and I've got my workout in. But with that stated to you parents, the daily child abuse that I committed and that most of us are committing is to let our children be overweight, right? Pack their lunches full of stuff that will increase their weight and then send them to school and let people make fun of them. And we want to attack the bullies. We want to attack the people that are calling it out. We want to say, hey kid, you can't say that. You're being mean to my child and that leads to suicide, right? And the whole time, you know whose fault it is? It was mine. It is yours. It's fucking child abuse. Right? And rather than fix the problem where it's at, in the core, at the home, in the lunchbox, in the nucleus of the family, we want to go attack kids that are simply telling our child the truth. Hey, you're fat. Fat kid, fatty, 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 right? And our child goes on in the major development years of their life when they're a sponge and they suck up all the bad nutrition, all the cookies, all the stuff. Honey, you're big bone. There ain't no such thing as a big bone person. We all got the same bones. And they go on in their adulthood believing that, and it's fucking mental child abuse caused by the people that tell them, including myself, I'd die for you. I love you. I'd give anything for you. But I won't give you the tools to be a healthy human and stop the onslaught of gossiping and puns and getting made fun of. And I won't give you the tools to do that. I want you to be crippled by that because I'm not man or woman enough to stand up in my life and say, here's the line. This is what you got to do. And that is exactly what happened to me. Right? Oh, well, God is good. He'll work it out. But it is child abuse on our own hands to raise fat children and send them to school and let them be made fun of and then not tell them the truth and then punish the kids that are telling them the truth. Because we are a system of meritocracy. We've got confused with diversity, inclusion, whatever the hell it is, equality. No. In the real world, in business, on the pro football fields, on the NBA basketball courts, the person that has the greatest skill set gets paid the most. Are you giving your child a skill set to be successful? Punching a fucking little Debbie, punching a little lunch and go box, tell them it's okay, or are you just lying to them? Fluid English.
1, 2, 3.